Hello, welcome to Tebo's World Recipes. Today we're going to prepare birria and Quesabirrias, which are cheesy tacos. Birria is originary from Jalisco in Mexico, and the original birria was made out of goat and ram. Nowadays you can make it out of beef, pork, and even chicken. So this is a very good recipe. It has become very popular in the US, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 2 pounds of beef chuck roast, 4 cups of beef broth, 7 guajillo chilies, 3 pasilla chilies, 2 arbol chilies. You can put more if you like it spicy, 2 tomatoes, 6 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1 small stick of cinnamon, 5 bay leaves, 8 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. The first step is we're going to prepare our sauce. So we're going to grab our chilies and we're going to remove the stems and the seeds. You can use a pair of shears to cut them and clean them up. Then we're going to add our chilies to a pot with our tomatoes. And we're going to cover them with water. We're going to turn our heat to medium high and we're going to wait until it starts boiling. Once we see it starts boiling, we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to remove our tomatoes and our chilies. Then to a blender, we're going to add our spices, our thyme, our cumin, 3 of the 5 bay leaves and the cloves, our ginger, our pepper, and our cinnamon stick, our oregano, and we're going to blend it for a few seconds. Now we're going to add our chilies and tomatoes to the blender. We're going to add our garlic cloves, our apple cider vinegar, and we're going to add 2 of the 4 cups of beef stock. We're going to blend together real well for a few minutes until we make our sauce. Our sauce is now ready to go. To prepare our meat, we're going to pat it dry and we're going to cut it into big chunks. And we're going to season with salt. We're going to add some olive oil to our Instapot and we're going to saute our meat for a few minutes. All we want to do is sear it. We don't want to cook it fully yet. It's going to take about 2 minutes per side. And we're looking is that all the sides are golden brown. Now that our meat is ready, we're going to add our sauce in our Instapot. And the rest of our beef stock. We're going to add our 2 remaining bay leaves we're gonna taste for salt at this point. I'm gonna add a little bit of more salt, and then we're gonna pressure cook for 1 hour. When an hour has passed, we're gonna release the pressure from our Instapot, and we're gonna take our meat from the broth. We're gonna use 2 forks to shred our meat, and you can tell it's really soft. Then we're gonna add some of the consommé on top of a meat. Keep it moist. To make our tacos, we're gonna need some white cheese, tortillas, onion, cilantro, and some limes. First, we're gonna dip our tortillas in the consommé. We're gonna put them in a pan, and we're gonna wait until the tortilla starts blistering. Once they blister, we're gonna flip them around. And we'll add our cheese. Then we're gonna flip it over to melt the cheese quickly. Then we're gonna flip them around again, and we will start putting our birria in it to start preparing our tacos. We're gonna fold our tacos. And we're almost ready to eat. Now to our tacos, we're gonna add some onion, some cilantro, and some limes. We're gonna do the same thing with our consommé. Our birria tacos are ready. These are supposed to be messy, and I have some consommé. So we're gonna dip our tacos and try them. This is the best of the best. Oh man. Give it a try and see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, and it helps us a lot. Click subscribe to get notified when new videos are coming. Follow us on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.